let us understand what the National Health and Ayush Mission is doing right now. It is working on promotion, regulation and rational use of traditional medicines. It involves inclusion of Ayush in different health programs like National Reproductive and Child Health Program. It appoints Ayush doctors, healthcare professionals in primary healthcare centers. It includes the traditional medicine in Asha kit. It ensures availability of essential medicine of Ayurveda, Siddha, Unani, homeopathy and Ayush at PHCs, and it is involved in research, development and quality control on Indian system of medicines and medicinal plants. What is the aim of National Association of Palliative Care? We aim at integration of all medical specialities like allopathy, Ayush, etc. for the purpose of palliative care. We have ancient Indian medicinal manuscripts such as Rig Veda, which has therapeutic use of almost 67 plants, Yajurveda enlisted use of almost 81 plants, Dhanvantri Nighantu enlisted many medicinal plants, Charak Samhita describes 341 medicinal plants, Sushruta Samhita mentioned use of 395 medicinal plants, and Atharveda enlisted almost 290 plants of medicinal utilities. We can see the history of Ayurveda ranges between 900 to 800 BCE, that of Siddha ranging between 800 to 700 BCE, Unani ranges between 460 to 377 BCE. Yoga and naturopathy has been practiced since ancient times, and as such the Indian system of medicine is being practiced since time immemorial. We will be talking about homeopathy. What is homeopathy? Homeopathy is well described, scientifically based system of approaching health and disease. Scientific because the insights are based on reproducible experiments. It is well described because from observations a number of precise basic fundamental rules became evident, first among them, and that is similarity principle. Although homeopathy is only 200 years old, it is now practiced in a variety of ways, most of which bear little resemblance to what Hahnemann taught. In the public mind, the word homeopathy has become so vague that for some it means only an alternative medicine, and for others a combination of homeopathic medicines that you buy in the health food store, one mixture for allergies, another for headache, and so on. You have a variety of combinations available for various ailments. The founder of homeopathy was Dr. Samuel Hahnemann in 1755 to 1843 was his life span. Based on his observations, he formulated the so called principle of similarity, which states that a given substance can cure a diseased person the symptoms that it produces or causes in a healthy person. Hahnemann published his ideas and experiences in a book called the Organon. The first edition appeared in 1810, and he wrote the last edition, which appeared posthumously in 1842. What is so striking is that Hahnemann's fundamental concepts still hold true today, nearly 200 years later. This is not to say there has been no progress in homeopathic thought, but rather to the fact that subsequent investigators have been able to confirm and reconfirm these basic principles. Every serious study of homeopathy even today begins with the study of the organon. Homeopathy had a large impact on practice of medicine. The first homeopathic hospital opened in 1832 and the homeopathic medical schools opened all over in Europe. Homeopathic hospitals and practitioners often had better outcomes compared to their allopathic counterparts. These improved outcomes were undoubtedly due to the harmful nature of allopathic remedies of the time compared to the non-toxic nature of homeopathic remedies. Thus, the general public began to tout the beliefs of homeopathy and demand better treatment from all the physicians. Hallmarks of unitary homeopathy are a thorough interview to discover the totality of signs and symptoms. This total picture is our most important guide to the medicine. Provings how a homeopathic medicine acts is found out by administering it to the healthy volunteers and recording the symptoms the volunteers report. Similia similibus curantur. The total picture of the patient should be as similar as possible to the drug picture of the selected remedy. Individualization. Since a homeopathic remedy corresponds only superficially to a particular disease, it must be customized to match the individual with that disease, a process we called individualization. Unitary homeopathy means that only one remedy is given at a time. Because only one remedy can correspond perfectly to the total picture of the patient, a prescription that does not aim for this totality is not homeopathic. Thank you.